right, boys and girls, today we're going to estimate and measure the perimeter of polygons using inch and centimeter rulers. All right, so boys and girls, you can estimate and measure perimeter in standard units, like we talked about when we were measuring on our inch rulers, such as inches and centimeters. Now, we did centimeters when we were doing science, so you know that you kind of know a little bit of a difference between inches and centimeters. Centimeters are a little smaller. Okay? All right. So today you are going to need your inch rulers. So go ahead and go get those. All right. Step 1. We're going to estimate the perimeter of a notebook. So let's just do our planners. Okay? So hold on. Before we even try to measure it, first estimate the perimeter of the notebook in inches. Like, what do you think it'll be on all sides added together? All sides added together on the outside. What do you think? How many inches do you think, boys and girls? 26 maybe? 28, 30? Those are all close together.
30. I said 30.
Okay, I think in the middle, 30 is kind of in the middle, so let's do 30. So write 30 inches for the estimate. We'll see if we're right. Okay, now use your inch ruler to measure the length of each side of your notebook or your planner to the nearest inch. Okay, so now, see how tall it is on the one side, and technically that will be how tall it is on the other side too, because this is a rectangle. And you can do it to the nearest inch, guys. So it's to the nearest whole number. You don't have to do half inches. You don't have to do whole inch or fourth inches, just a whole inch. Okay? So guys, how tall is it?
11 inches. Closer to 11. I got 10.
Okay, but what is it closest to?
11.
Are you starting at 0? This is half point. It's over the half point. No, you have to measure to the end of this. You're measuring to the end of your thing. So it's what? 11. We're going to the nearest inch. The nearest whole inch. Now, if one side is 11, then the other side will also be 11. Now, what is it across?
7. Yeah, 7.
I got 7.
7. Okay. All right, so let's add these up. 11 plus 11 plus 7 plus 7. What's 11 plus 11, guys?
22.
22. Now, what's 7 plus 7?
14.
Okay. 4 plus 2? 2 plus 1?
3.
All right.
Oh, we're 6
36. Write these down, guys. Write these down. I don't want you to miss this because you're not paying attention and writing these down. Okay, 36 inches is what we got. All right, now use your inch ruler to find the length of each side. Once again, boys and girls, this is a rectangle. So this side and this side should be the same. And this side and this side should be the same. So right now, I want you to measure the width. Measure the width to the nearest whole number.
The width
Okay.
is how long it is, right? No.
Right. No, it's how wide. Width, wide. That's what they both start with W. Width, wide. Okay, to the nearest whole number, what did you get?
2.
2. So write a 2 above. Okay. Now, because this is a rectangle, the bottom one should also be
2.
Okay. Now measure the height. Nearest inch. What'd you get?
1.
Okay. If this side is 1, then this side also has to be
1.
Alright, now let's add these lengths. We have 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. What's 2 plus 1?
3.
What's 2 threes?
6.
Okay, so the perimeter of that rectangle is 6. Okay? Now, they want you to do it with centimeters. So you need to flip your ruler upside down where it's the smaller thing. Okay? Pay attention, boys and girls, to this in math today. They might change the rules on you where you want to do centimeters instead of inches. So pay attention to the directions, okay? All right. Now, measure. This is a what?
Square.
This is a square. So if you measure one side, all the other sides should be equal. But let's check it out. Do the width first. For centimeters. What'd you get for centimeters on the width, everybody?
3.
Okay. Now, I want you to do the length just in case, too, to make sure this is truly a square. Did you get 3 again?
Yes.
Okay, this is truly a square then. So we're just adding them all up. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now, guys, what is 4 threes?
12.
Okay.
You just do multiplication.
Sure can. Yeah. Okay. Pretty easy finding perimeter, right?
Yeah.
All right. Next page.
I think I can do this on our own.
Okay. Read the. Well, it is share and
Yeah,
show.
it's
So
share
now
and
it's
show.
your guys'. All right. We're gonna do number 12. Let's read it. Gary's garden is shaped like a rectangle with 2 sides of equal length, and it has a perimeter of 28 feet. Explain how to find the length of the other sides if one side measures 10 feet. Okay. So let's draw a rectangle, because they said it's the shape of a rectangle. This garden is, right?
I can't do that.
What?
I wrote 3 problems on here, and I don't have them. You want me to erase
Well,
them?
try to write somewhere.
I'll just
It
do
can be a
one.
small word, doesn't matter. Okay. It said one of the sides is 10 feet. What do you think? Where should we put 10 feet? Savannah? On a long one, maybe? Okay, so, and I heard, I'll reach down the top, so we're going to do it on the top. Okay, if this is a rectangle, what does that mean then, guys?
That it's going to be the same on the bottom.
Then it's going to be the same on the bottom.
And
Okay,
it's going to be the same on the side.
that equals 20, right?
20.
Okay, so what does that mean that we need, how much more do we need to get 28, guys? How much more do we need to get 28, everyone?
8.
Okay, but do I just put 8 on this side?
No.
Yes, you have to split it into 4. Good, or 2 4. 2 4s. Okay, now we have to explain that. Okay, how to find the length? We could say, well, I know, you guys knew 10 plus 10 equals 20, right? You knew 10 plus 10 equals 20. And then you had to find how much more to get 28.
8.
I need 8 more feet to get 28. I need 8 more feet to get 28. We don't just put 8. You said that we needed to. Okay.
Hold on.
I need. Instead of saying split, guys, what do you do? Like, what operation would you do?
Division.
Division, because when you split things, you divide, right? So I need to divide 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4.
I know.
4 goes on each side. That's it.
I don't